Hey guys, I'm Greg out in Gino today. Today I'm making a video about this new everyday carry knife I just got yesterday. Paid 15 bucks for it. As you can see the case right here, it got a zipper. See, I wear it every day with me. And there it is. It's a 19-inch blade. I mean the whole thing together, it's 19-inch. You know what I mean? From the handle to the tip. It's got the saw on the back, a rib cutter, got a nice sharp blade. Easy for chopping down small trees. You can put your piece of rope right there so you can hang it from your hand. I mean, this is like a Rambo knife, you know what I mean? I mean, of course, it ain't a K-bar, but it's still a nice knife. And you see, it got the thumb grip you put right here for chopping. And I also got something pretty cool. I just got this today. It looks like a shotgun cell, right? Wrong. It's a miniature knife. Pretty cool, huh? I mean, from the side, you can't even tell that it's a knife. I mean, it even says 12 gauge on the back. You can't even tell. So that's pretty badass, I think. I carry both of these every day now. Yeah, I just want to let y'all know. There's supposed to be an ice age coming. I mean, I don't know if it's true or not, but that's what everybody's saying. It's supposed to be 14 days, but of course, that was about 4 days ago. So I guess we got like 10 days left. What's weird is, it went from 0 degrees, and right now, it's like 60. By Thursday, up here in West Virginia, it's supposed to be 70 degrees. I think there was something to let people think that this is spring. And that's when they're going to slam us with the cold again. I mean, everybody's letting their guard down. Everybody's out in sorts again. You know what I mean? And then nobody's cutting wood no more. Nobody's buying heat. I mean, everybody's like, oh, this is spring. I mean, the cold's over. It's not over. They want everybody to get used to this. So when they slam you with the cold again, you're going to freeze. I'm always ready for the cold or heat, regardless. I don't know if it's something about me, but I can handle cold, real cold. I don't know why, but just how I am. I mean, I could deal with extreme colds. When that 0 degrees happened, I was out in the woods. I didn't give a fuck. You know what I mean? When most people are freezing, feet going numb. I mean, I wear these every day. You can't find boots. One pair of socks. And I stay warm. I don't know. I mean, I'm from Maryland, so I mean, it ain't like I'm freaking from Alaska and I'm used to this cold. So I don't know what it is about me, but oh well, right? I guess that saves me in the long run. That means I can survive some pretty extreme cold weather. And I'm sure there's a lot more people like me who can do the same thing. I mean, I don't really like the heat, but I can stand it. You know what I'm saying? I can work all day in that heat, and it won't bother me. With some people, I've seen people have heat strokes just mowing the grass when it's like 100 degrees out. Not me. Let's just say it's almost like I adapted to the different kind of weathers. The longer you're in the same type of weather, the more you adapt. You live in the cold, you adapt to it. You live in the heat, you adapt. or if you live like up here in West Virginia, or like the East Coast like this, where it gets hot and it gets cold, you adapt. But yeah, that's all for today. I just want to let y'all know. Sorry for letting y'all know my boring story. But, yep, I just want to see y'all my knives. Thank you all for watching. God bless. I'll be putting out some more information about this Ice Age, to see y'all know. I'm not trying to scare nobody. I just want to let y'all know. I don't know if it's true or not. I'm not no fearmonger. I just want to keep us all safe and keep us all aware. But yep, thank y'all. God bless.